Today I am going to try to make surprise inside pride pies. This is homemade banana cream pie, and I'm also going to show you how to make 2 different pie crusts because you don't have to choose, you can do whatever you like. So let's get started. Okay, so crust number 1 is a graham cracker crust, and I thought that this is the traditional way. Apparently not. So we're going to take some graham crackers and we're going to put them into a food processor. So you could use like a Ziploc bag and hit them with like a whatever, like a knife sharpener. That's what I usually use to break them apart, but this will give you a much more even crumb and it's quicker. So, and I hate loud noises, but here we go. All right, there we go. I'm just gonna pour this into a large bowl, and then I have some melted unsalted butter, and I'm just gonna pour that on top. It's like really easy. Graham cracker crust is like the easier crust if you just don't want to fuss with stuff. And we're just gonna mix this together. It looks like an island or something. Okay, so we have our mixture here and it's like a wet sand. And I am going to spoon this into a 9-inch pie plate, and we don't need to put all of it right away. We're gonna kind of see how much we need. So I'm gonna put like half. I have a large spoon, and we are just going to press it in. But yeah, this mixture will like hold its shape when you press it. Okay, and now I'm just gonna pop this into the fridge while we make the other crust and then the filling. Okay, so now on to the second crust, which is a pate brisée. So we have I butchered that French. We have some flour, and we have our little food processor again. So I'm just gonna put the flour in here, and then we're going to add some salt. And we're just going to mix these 2 things together. And then I have some butter that I've chopped up. Super, super cold butter. It's not frozen, but it's like it's been in the fridge after I chopped it up. So I'm gonna hold the plate awkwardly, and I'm just gonna put it in here. Oh my God. The lid is going back, and we are going to pulse until it resembles a fine meal. So you can kind of see there, those are big chunks, but like when you pinch it, it'll fall apart. So finally, we want the butter to be broken up, and the fact that it's cold will allow that to happen. And so now we are going to gradually drizzle in some water, and then pulse a little bit, and then drizzle in and pulse. You can see it just like sticks together super nicely. You don't want to like overmix it in the food processor because like that will just make it a little bit tough, and we don't want that. It's perfect. So now I'm gonna wrap this in plastic wrap and pop it into the fridge while we make the filling. Okay, so the dough chilled overnight, and I am going to unwrap it. Also, it is so hot today, so I am like sweating my way through this video. And now it's time to roll it out. So we are just I'm gonna try this technique. I might fail, but whatever. I'm gonna roll it up on to this. Oh, it's working. Oh God, okay. And then I'll slide that in, and I'm just going to drape it over the pie dish. Do I have my life together? Did this work? Oh my God. Oh no, it's like slightly off. It's fine. And then I am just going to cut this, but we want to create a cute little edge. So I am going to leave some space, okay? So like 1/2 inch extra. Now we are going to ripple the edge. I don't know if that's the right term. You want to put your finger here, and then get your other 2 fingers and just like pinch it. I have long nails. This is harder than it should be. I'm gonna get a fork and just poke holes into the base of the pie. I use this fork to beat the egg that we will use in like just a second. And now I'm going to take that beaten egg yolk and brush just the rim of the pie. And now this pie crust is going back in the fridge to chill for another 30 minutes. All right, so now I'm placing a sheet of parchment onto the inside, and then I'm going to get some rice. Dried beans are better, or pie weights, and I'm going to spread it inside. This will keep the pie from rising. And now to bake. All right, so now to make the amazing filling. So I have some eggs, so I'm just popping the egg yolks into a bowl, and I'm just gonna whisk them together. And I wish this was it, but it's not. So we're gonna take this bowl and take it into the kitchen. custard filling and it has chilled overnight and it's like very jiggly. And now I'm going to divide it evenly into 6 bowls. Okay, so we have the graham cracker crust here ready to go, and I have some sliced bananas here, and this is like the weirdest part. Everywhere says to do this, so I guess we're just gonna do it. We are going to arrange a layer of bananas into the base of the crust, like directly on top of it. Like, it's kind of weird, but like, also my hands, they are like aggressively clean right now, so not judging. Although if people judge, you can comment, because that is good for the algorithm. So. And the pate brisée crust, I feel weird saying that every time, is now fully cooled, and look at how brown it is. Did I cook it too much? I don't know. So we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, so now is the colorful stage. So we are gonna go from the outside in to make sure we have space for every color. And why am I scared? Why am I scared? So I have some heavy cream now, and I'm gonna pour that into a bowl. This is whipping cream, so it's 35%. And then we're going to add some icing sugar, as well as some vanilla extract. We're going to beat it until soft peaks form. So we're just gonna dollop it on top. Now is the final touch, so we're gonna add sprinkles and then something else. And then let's add some fresh banana. Okay, and now we slice. Why am I nervous? Can't even see it. Let's do this. It's good. Doesn't taste hugely of banana, but the crust is very soft, which is good. Let's try the pie crust version. Okay, there we go. It's like rainbow on the inside. Can I just say, like, this is so soft. They're both too soft. I think graham cracker wins, you guys. I think it's better. If you want some more Pride desserts, I have my Pride cupcakes video. I'll link it here. I think the graham cracker crust won, but if you want to make both and try them out and like tell me what you think, recipes down below. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.